We are working on GMetrix Word Expert Practice Exam number 2. We're currently on the first project called Rodeo Flyer. Task 1 is a little bit tricky. It asks us to go ahead and combine two documents. So we're going to go ahead and go to the Review tab here at the top, and we're going to go to the Compare group, Compare drop down, and then we're going to select Compare. The original document it tells us is just Rodeo Flyer, so we're going to go ahead and click this document icon, and we're going to go to the GMetrix templates, and we want to select Rodeo Flyer. So we'll go ahead and select that. And then over here for the revised document, we want to go back to our GMetrix templates folder and click Rodeo Flyer edited. And we also need to do a few more things. We want to click the more here so that we can, in the show changes group, click original document. We'll click OK. We'll select yes here. All right, and we can go ahead and close out of all of this, make it a little bit easier to see. And we'll click Mark Completed. Task 2 asks us to go ahead and configure the document to only allow digitally signed macros. The keyword here is configure. We're going to go to File, Options, shrink this a little bit for you, and we're going to go to the Trust Center here, and we're going to click Trust Center Settings. Shrink this screen as well. And we're going to click this one, disable all macros except digitally signed macros, and we'll click OK and OK. Click Mark Completed. Task 3 asks us to go ahead and change the default font. So we're going to go to the Home tab. We're going to go to the Font dialog box, and we're going to find Rockwell Condensed. We're going to change the font size to 18. We want the dark red accent 2. If you're not sure, hover. And it tells us to go ahead and make it the default only for this document. So we'll click this document only, OK. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 4 asks us to go ahead and limit the formatting to a selection of styles, but it tells us not to start the enforcement. So we're going to go ahead and go to the Review tab. We're going to click Restrict Editing. We'll click Limit Formatting right here, and we'll go ahead and close out of that. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 5 asks us to go ahead and add a comment to tickets on sale now. And you want to be careful. See how it, when I move my cursor too far to the right, it went ahead and selected the image as well. So you just move your cursor back so where it only selects the text. From there, we want to go ahead and go to, we're on the Review tab still, and we're going to click New Comment. And here we'll go ahead and type, should we include pricing information? Make sure you type it all correctly, capitalize, punctuate. And we'll click Mark Completed. Task 6 asks us to go ahead and save the current theme in our GMetrix folder. So we'll go to the Design tab here at the top. We'll click the Themes drop down, and we'll click Save Current Theme. We'll want to go to our GMetrix Templates folder, and we'll type in Rodeo Flyer. Make sure you capitalize both Rodeo and Flyer, and it's one word. We'll click Yes, and I've already saved it once, so I'll go ahead and replace that. We'll click Mark Completed.